Students, most welcome all of you. Now, in this video, we are going to learn about present tense, simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous tense. Students, before this video, we had done part 1 and part 2. In part 1, basic tenses, and in part 2, simple past tense. Now, we will see tense of present. In present tense, we will see the rules, the simple sentences, negative sentences, and interrogative sentences. First of all, we have to see the kinds of present tense. For example, you know it very well: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. One by one, we will see. First of all, we will learn about simple present tense. Now see, simple present tense. What is simple present tense? First of all, the tense that is used for to refer to events, actions, and conditions that are happening all the time or exist now. The sentences: I live in Morbid, she doesn't like cheese, are the best example of simple present tense. Some more example is going on your screen. My father goes to gym every day. She loves to play basketball. She thinks he is very handsome. I run every weekend. We play tennis every morning. They talk too much, are simple example of the simple present tense. Now see the negative sentences. He does not eat white rice. We do not say when he moved away. They don't practice yoga. She did not like Bikram yoga. I am not flying are the examples of. Now see the example of interrogative sentences of simple present tense. Is she our neighbor? Is he at home? Are you an engineer? Am I a doctor? Are the example of interrogative sentences of simple present tense. Now see present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? The present continuous tense is formed with the subject plus the present participle form. You can say ing of the main verb, and the present continuous tense of the verb is to be, am, is, are. One example is there: he is swimming is the best example of present continuous tense. Now some example is going on your screen. For better understanding, I am writing a letter. He is reading a poem. He is waiting for a bus. She is singing a song. Now you can see the negative sentences. He is not going to school. He is not eating an apple. She is not driving a car. You are not replying to me. And interrogative sentence: is he going to school? Question mark. Is he buying a new phone? Are they playing football? Is she cooking some food? Students, let's see present perfect tense. The present perfect tense refers to an action or state that either occurred at an indefinite time in the past. Example: we have talked before, or began in the past and continued to the present time. Example: he has grown impotent over the last 4 hours. This tense is formed by has, have plus past participle. Some examples: she has lived here all her life. They have written 3 letters already. I have worked here since I graduated school. He has finished his homework. We have gone to Canada. Now, interrogative sentences of present perfect tense. I haven't eaten at that restaurant in a long time. Rohan hasn't worked on Fridays since he joined the company, are the example of present perfect negative sentences. Now see present perfect interrogative sentences. Have they lost their dog? She visited to her friend. Has it to be a lovely day? Now see present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense, also known as the present perfect progressive tense, shows that something started in the past and is continuing at the present time is the definition of present perfect continuous tense. I have been studying for 3 hours. I have been watching TV since 7 pm. He has been playing football for a long time are the example of present perfect continuous tense simple tenses. Now negative sentences. He has not been sleeping well the last 2 months. I haven't been eating enough vegetable these days. My boss has not been coming into the office regularly. And now see interrogative sentences. Has he been working here since last year? Has she been writing for 3 hours? Has it been weaving for 5 hours? Has is the most example. Now see the present tense chart. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense with the rules, structure and with one example it has already done for you. Students, be careful about the tense. Thank you for watching. To be continued with Param Siddhesh Educator. Thank you once again very much for watching this video of present tense